Hi, I'm a Luther customer service representative. Today I'll walk you through the steps of scheduling your appointment online using Luther Automotive's eSchedule. This is the same system all Luther employees use. Let's begin by opening a web browser. Visit our homepage, which is www.lutherauto.com. On the left, you will see the toolbar for eSchedule. Click here. To schedule service, use the drop-down menu to select your dealer. Here, you will enter your personal information, vehicle information, and create a username and password. For the purpose of this demonstration, I will use fictitious information. Enter your first name, enter last name, enter email, enter your street address, enter your phone number. Next, enter your vehicle information. Today, we will select Chevrolet. Select your model. Select year. If you have your VIN number, enter here. If not, no worries. We can enter that when you arrive. Enter your approximate mileage. Now, create a username and password. Now that you have entered your personal, vehicle, and login information, click Register. Here, we can select maintenance and/or repairs. Maintenance are items that are done routinely based on the mileage of your vehicle. Repairs include any problems or concerns you would like to have inspected while the vehicle's in for service. Let's begin by clicking Add Maintenance. Enter your estimated mileage. Click Recommend. Here you can select from the maintenance services. To view what's included in that maintenance package, simply hover over the title to view the service details. Click Continue. To add repairs, click Add Repairs. Here you can select from the different service repairs. If you do not see a description that fits the current issue, please select Other or Miscellaneous. Enter your concern here. Assuming that the radio knob has fallen off, we can enter this concern and the service technician will inspect for repair. Click OK. Click Continue. Here we can view the selected services and/or repairs. Once completed, click Search Availability. Select Transportation. When I leave my vehicle for service, I will drop my vehicle off and return at a later time. Click here. If you need a shuttle service, check the box below. If you would prefer to wait in the service department while the work is performed, click here. To select your service advisor, use the drop-down and select your preferred advisor, or click Any. Select Search Availability. Click View Calendar. The availability calendar will display available appointments in green, not available in red, and dates the dealer is closed appear in gray. Let's select Wednesday, May 30th. Under the day Wednesday, May 30th, select a time that works best with your schedule. Click Continue. Here we will view the appointment review page. Any additional comments or specific requirements you have for the appointment can be noted in the box below. please check here if you would like to be contacted regarding this appointment. We are now ready to click Book Appointment. Congratulations, we have successfully booked our first service appointment. To print this confirmation, click Print. To view your account, click My Account. To edit this appointment, click here, and if you are complete with your scheduling needs, you may sign out here. Thank you, and we look forward to serving you.